So here are some just tips. I would say, yeah, healthy financial habits, things that you should get in the habit of doing if you're not already doing them. And that is setting up auto pay, signing up any credit monitoring system. So I have a credit monitor in place, but that's because my information was stolen through a Department of Defense website or something like that when I was in the service. So I have that given to me free because my information apparently is floating around out there. So if you're worried about those kinds of things, you can sign up for credit monitoring. You can see when your credit is being pulled. And obviously, if you didn't pull your credit, you know somebody out there is and they have your information. Be cautious of what you open, keep your credit card utilization down. So again, credit card utilization, the sweet spot is really like a third to a half of the credit utilization. That's something that I do personally, and I think that's a good sort of ground rule when utilizing credit cards. But again, if you have to book a flight or you have to book a trip and you got to max out your credit cards, so be it. But try to keep that utilization in a manageable sort of range.